Hey guys, it's me, Not Blue VR. This is my first VR video that I'm gonna be doing, and this is my intro video too. So I'm gonna mostly be playing Scary Baboon, other horror games, and these type of games. I'll show you my games. I mostly play Gorilla Tag and Scary Baboon, as you can see. This is a fake Gorilla Tag copy. It just has mods. I play VRFS, Big Scary, No Clip, Background, Gun Raiders, Creed, Beat Saber, Penguin Paradise, Gym Class, Big Ballers, Lethal Weeps. All these games I don't really play that much now. I mostly just play Gorilla Tag and Scary Baboon, as you can see. Alright, that's all done for my part. Come on.
Hey guys, I'm Golden Monk VR.
Wait. Oh, never mind.
I am Not Blue VR's godbrother. I have been playing for about a year. He's been playing for about 7 months, and we are both really good at this game. He might be a little better than me if you see later on in the video. It's because I lost my left controller on my right controller.
For a couple of months?
For a couple of months, and he had a 7-month advantage to get better and such as like how to like mechanics and stuff.
Cause I started playing on Christmas and stuff, and when I got it, you already had lost your controller, right?
Yeah, and so yeah, that's my part.
All right, so
let's start on the video.
All right, for the rest of the video, guys, we're just gonna be playing tag.
Hey.
Oh crap!
What happened?
I thought I saw you. Ah! I smacked myself.
Oh, I know where you went.
Just please don't come into canyons.
I went into clouds. I'm so dumb.
You dummy!
Alright, thank you for telling me that you are in Canyon.
Yeah, I should start going.
Canyon? I don't know why you like Canyon so much.
Help, guys! Help!
I am still pretty good at this game.
Save me from the skibbity toilet!
Horrible, but I'm not calling myself the best.
Yeah. Save me from the skibbity toilet! Riz God.
What?
Nah, bro, I'm joking.
You're so brain rot.
I speak brain out, bro. I speak.
Bro, you're the yappiest of yappiest. Hello.
No!
I think I see you. Darn it, I fell to the all the way to the bottom. Where did you go? I see you.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. Darn it! I fell.
Perfect. This buys me enough time.
What? How did I not tag you? Darn it, I keep on falling.
Peekaboo.
I don't know how I didn't tag you. I literally tagged you.
I know, you did tag me, right? Oh,
yeah.
Bye-bye!
You're leaving canyons, huh?
Maybe, maybe not.
Alrighty, come here, little boy. Where did you go?
Oh crap.
You spooky, dooky, 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 doo. Oh, I see you.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. You're
What's
too
up,
slow.
buddy? Try and keep up with me now. Darn it, you're so good at scaling.
Yes.
You're so good at scaling. Why are you so good at scaling?
I know. Time to practice. All right. My wrist hurts. I haven't been playing that much though.
I bet you he's gonna attack me way quicker than I attacked him.
Would it take you 5 minutes?
Something like that. Wait, why didn't it go? Why did I feel like I just did a TTT Pigs long jump?
You did not do a TTT Pigs long jump.
I landed on the slide, but I didn't do the long jump. Got you.
Oh, you're not tagging me no more after I tag you. Where the hell did you go? Yo, Marco. But you are not him.
No. I had you there. You can't lie. I had you there.
Yeah, you actually did.
And I haven't played for like a couple months, so.
Not even, bro. You started playing like on June 11th or something? You started playing again?
No, like ever since I lost my controller.
Oh! Oh!
I don't know if you really know, but I'm a god tweeter.
Montage time! Montage!
Buddy, montage time. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. Come here, little boy. Oh yeah, we both know how to water run.
Hold up, stop, don't tag me, bro. Right there, I think.
Ready? I can kind of do it after blue.
I think I got it for perfect.
I see you. Hello, little boy.
They don't know me, son!
I think we all know you. I think you're not Blue VR.
Shut up!
So, me and him, we used to build forts in his brother's room, and we would do them in the living room. And so we would grab like 4 chairs.
Bro, just shut up!
Help me.
That was like a couple of years back, bro. Just shut up.
I know. I'm just saying though, like how we used to get really free, and how we like. Remember how hard it was to pick up the chairs?
Oh yeah, because you're like super little.
What? How do you go slow? I mean, how do you go down? Oh, I get it.
If you guys want to learn how to water run, comment down below. and I'll teach you guys because I water run pretty fast.
Me too.
With-
He taught me how to water run stuff. You guys can ask him. You guys don't have to give me full credit.
Oh,
So I don't even have to give me credit. Come on. He taught me.
the phone ringing. The phone ringing.
Good boy. Pick up the phone. The phone ringing.
Big boy, I don't want you to miss the phone. I forgot how it goes.
Oh, I see you, little boy.
Oh, now you're done, bro. No, you don't.
Darn it, I missed the whole roll.
Anyway, where the hell are you?
Try and keep up with me now. You're
Bro,
flopping.
montage! Or not.
Oh, I see. No. Oh. Where'd you go?
Monkey. Nom 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 nom. Yeah, I better start going.
I kind of got good at that. Huh.
I missed it by a millimeter. Yo, Brody, where are you? You're not. We're not even playing techno mode, bro. It's like we're playing in casual. Big boy, come pick up the phone. Hell to the no.
Oh, yeah.
I'm coming back, bro. So just get ready to tag me. I'm coming back up there.
You got? What the? You vanished. Yeah.
Trick or treat. Oh hell no. I'm done. If it,
You're over there, too?
with the Sigma. With the Sigma.
Why is that here different?
I'm still with Griffin.
What the heck?
Lois, pick up the phone.
This boy really said, Lewis, pick up the phone.
There's no way to tag me there.
Tell me I tagged you.
I didn't see.
You're not lying. Hot cash.
Big boy, come pick up the
You got
phone.
games on your phone? Please, pick up the phone. What the heck was that? Ash cash. Ash. Cash. Ash. Cash.
Bro. Just wait for me to lose my control so you get the... Ah! You heard that?
Yeah. Look behind you. I'm sorry, mister. I
You-
missed that.
What the hell are you singing?
Oh no! No! I'm sorry.
Yo, you better be sorry. Because it's the last thing you're going to say sorry for.
What?
I'm Ash Ketchum, bro. I'm from Pokemon Go.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am, bro. I'm Ash Ketchum. I'm Charizard and Pikachu.
You are not from Pokemon.
I'm Moltres! Combined it all together.
No, you're not.
Bro, imagine if Pokemon or Pokemon Go made a character mixed with Articuno, Moltres, and Zapdos, bro. Imagine.
I could have dodged you.
Yoink. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. I'll keep you guys with memes on YouTube Shorts. So keep on watching. And this is my intro video and my other video, combined it though. So bye guys. See you in the next one.